up, guys? Mike back with another video. Today's video is tips and tricks how to clean a windshield inside of a car. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you on this Maserati, which I just detailed. I did a full interior, exterior. It's a beautiful car. I'll show you what it's about. It's an awesome car. Maserati. I'm gonna show you a little trick and tips how I do the windshield. So what I have is alcohol diluted half and half, IPA, and I'm using visible glass by Stoner, best glass, and tint safe because it's alcohol. Unlike some other glass cleaners, is ammonia, which will mess up tinted windows. And some windshields are tinted. I think this one is. All right, so what I do is I won't spray it on the windshield. I spray it on the microfiber. So what I do is go ahead and spray it on there. What I do is put it on my right hand, get down on the floorboard, come up in the corner, go down, and I'll go up and down. Make sure you get around the mirror. So what I do is move the mirror a little bit, get up around the mirror, come around. And this is, you're just right here, you're just cleaning it. Any oils or anything like that, people smoking. All right, now go ahead and flip the towel around. So what I do on the inside, I'll go up and down, and the outside, I'll go side to side. Because if I do miss anything, and if I look, and if I know which way the streaks are going, I'll know if it's inside or outside by the direction I'm going. All right, so that's the alcohol. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use the window cleaner. And this is the final step. So I'll just go ahead and spray it on the rag. Get over on the floorboard. And then what I always do when I finish up the glass, go around the corner, because that's where you miss it at, in the corner, around the rear view mirror. Alright guys, that's how you clean the windshield from the inside. Just get on the passenger side and go ahead and reach over and do it. So, alcohol and the window cleaner, visible glass, tint safe. Alright guys, that's today's little video. And that's the best way and the way I prefer how to clean the inside of glass. Peace. Remember, like and subscribe, hit the bell notification.